12點30分，香港電台最新一節風暴消息：8號東南烈風或暴風信號現正生效，表示本港吹東南風，平均風速每小時63公里或以上。喺午夜12點，強烈熱帶風暴塔巴集結喺香港之西南偏南約250公里，即係北緯20.2度、東經113.3度附近，預料向西北或西北偏北移動，時速約18公里，靠近廣東西部沿岸。過去數小時，塔巴繼續靠近廣東西部沿岸並有所增強。按照現時預測，塔巴會喺今日日出前後喺香港西南面200公里內掠過，隨後喺廣東西部登陸。除非塔巴採取更接近珠江口嘅路徑或顯著增強，否則改發更高熱帶氣旋警告信號嘅機會較低。8號烈風或暴風信號會至少維持至今日早上11點。預料本港今日早上風勢會進一步增強，有狂風大驟雨及雷暴，海有非常大浪及湧浪，市民請遠離岸邊及停止所有水上活動。受天文大潮同埋風暴潮嘅共同影響，今日早上本港西部沿岸嘅水位會升得比平常高，部分低洼地區可能會出現水浸，市民請採取適當預防措施。喺過去1小時，昂坪、長洲泳灘同埋塔門分別錄得嘅最高持續風速為每小時60、53同埋51公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時89、65同埋60公里。有關最新天氣資訊，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分同埋踏正嘅報導。
12:30 late night, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 southeast gale or storm signal is in force. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 km per hour or more are expected from the southeast quarter. At midnight, severe tropical storm Ta Pa was centered about 250 km south-southwest of Hong Kong, which is near 20.1 degrees north, 113.3 degrees east, and is forecast to move northwest or north-northwest at about 18 km per hour, edging closer to the western coast of Guangdong. In the past few hours, Ta Pa continued to edge closer to the coast of western Guangdong and intensify. According to the present forecast, Ta Pa will skirt within 200 km southwest of Hong Kong around sunrise this morning. It will then make landfall over western Guangdong. Unless Ta Pa adopts a track closer to the Pearl River estuary or intensifies significantly, the chance of issuing higher tropical cyclone warning signals is relatively low. The gale or storm signal, number 8, will remain in force at least until 11 a.m. today. Local winds are expected to strengthen further this morning. There will be squally heavy showers and thunderstorms. Seas will be very rough with swells. Members of the public are advised to stay away from the shoreline and not to engage in water sports. Under the combined effect of spring tide, along with the storm surge, the water level over the coast of western Hong Kong will rise higher than normal this morning. Flooding may occur over parts of the low-lying areas. Members of the public should take necessary precautions. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Nong Ping, Cheng Chau Beach, and Tap Moon were 60, 53, and 51 km per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 89, 65, and 60 km per hour respectively. Please listen to Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours at 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for more information. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節風暴消息報告完畢。